Hello everyone, today let's take a look at how to make a 4-leaf clover with a bead. 6 mm pearl, use 2 mm bead. For millimeters bead, use 1.5 mm bead. It can be made into a bracelet. Earrings can be made into a bracelet with a diamond. Take for pearls. One bead. Add 1 bead in the middle of each pearl. Add a seed bead. Add 1 bead in the middle of each pearl. Add to beads. The first time is to put in 1 bead, put out 2 beads. The second time is to put in 2 beads, put out 3 beads. Make 6 rows, not counting the beads in the middle of the pearl. After making 6 rows, add 2 beads in the middle of the pearl. The first time is to put in 2 beads, put out 3 beads. The second time is to put into beads. Continue to add pillars. Repeat the operation. Make a full circle. And now let's see how to rob. Now, let's see how to tie a knot. Okay, you can cut the wire karma dot or continue to connect other things according to the need. In the future, the gesture of using this 4-leaf clover will not be repeat. If you like it, please subscribe. In the next video, I will use this 4-leaf clover as a bracelet and earrings. Till then, bye.